Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to what I wore this week. So I've kind of layered a bunch of stuff for this look. I'm wearing a Zara mustard silk dress with my Aritzia cashmere sweater over top, and then my Veronica Beard shearling jean jacket. And then I'm also wearing these Zara snakeskin boots. Should probably take off the tag before I go anywhere. If you want to see more Zara stuff, I do have a Zara haul right now with these two items and a few more pieces as well. I am just grabbing drinks with some friends, and this is what I'm wearing. Today's look, I kind of feel like I'm on a ranch or something with these boots and the jeans. So I actually got another pair of the Charlotte jeans by Citizens of Humanity because I love them so much. They're super flattering, they're really comfortable, and I got a different wash. And now I have the same conundrum with the length. I think they're just too long for me. I think I'm gonna cut them off again. By the way, if you guys are interested in how I cut off my jeans for like a raw hem look, I will link that video that I did. I know a bunch of you were asking about it. So anyways, yep, wearing these Citizens of Humanity jeans, Zara booties, and this Zara cable knit sweater. It's not wool, but it's really comfy and it's not itchy at all. And then I just threw this Aritzia Elena coat over as well. I believe this is still on sale too. I will link my Aritzia sale video for you in case you're interested. Hello, hope you're having a great day. This is what I'm wearing today. I have been working all day in my sweatpants and I'm just gonna take Theo to the dog park. So I've just got some leggings on and my short hunter boots, which I actually find easier to get on and off. I like these better than the tall ones. They're not as bulky too. And then gray cashmere sweater to keep me warm, mega puff coat from Aritzia, and an older toque from Aritzia, but they have a ton of really cute ones and I will link them for you. So yeah, nothing super stylish. This is real life. This is what I'm actually wearing today. I just wanted to show you the other hat that I wear to the dog park a lot because I get quite a few questions whenever I put it on Insta stories. It is Acne Studios. It's quite expensive, like kind of stupidly expensive. So some of you might be annoyed by that, and I do apologize. It is 100% wool. It's really warm. It's one of my favorite hats. It's kind of like cheeky. Cheeky. So I will link that for you on the blog. This is my outfit today. I turned the lights on in here, but I'm not sure if I like the lighting better. Can you let me know if you like with lights on, which is like a bit orangey, or lights off? I have been wearing this outfit probably more than anything else. I got this at the Aritzia sale, and same with the belt. These are the Charlotte jeans from Citizens of Humanity and Zara boots. I cannot tell you how many times I've worn this outfit over the last like 5 weeks. Like way too much, but I love it. I love this color. Officially declaring mustard the color of spring. Even though Pantone says it's something else. What does Pantone say it's? I don't know. Anyways, happy Saturday everybody. This is my outfit today. Wearing a Zara hoodie, which is like 20 bucks. Yes, sir. Hello. Hello, Angel. With a Zara blazer. Theo is wearing himself, and he looks wonderful. Don't you, sweetheart? And then I'm wearing my beloved Charlotte Citizens of Humanity's jeans and busting out the Adidas Stan Smiths. I haven't worn these in a while, but here we are. Weekend casual. So that's it for my what I wore this week video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys want to see more. That's how you can let me know. And you can also leave me a comment below. And I will see you next time. Bye.